following information is obtained for the time taken in completed minutes by each worker to carry out certain job. Find Karl Pearson coefficient of skewness from these data and interpret it. Now over here, we have to see which formula we have to use. So 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29. Equal or unequal? Equal. So not a problem. And frequency 3, 8, 4, 2 and 1. It's a continuous frequency distribution. Let's write the question. Because we have to find mean over here. After writing the class, we write the mid value xi. We have to write the mid value. Now what type of distribution is this? Inclusive or exclusive? Inclusive, but mid value में फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So 5 to 9, 7, 12, 17, 22 and 27. What is the class length? 4 or 5? 5, because it is inclusive. So 5 भी आ गया और 9 भी आ गया. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, then write the frequency, that is number of workers. 3, 8, 4, 2, 1. 18. N is equal to 18. Now, first let's write the formula. Karl Pearson coefficient of skewness. J is equal to x bar minus mode, mean minus mode upon standard deviation. So we have to find mean, we have to find mode, and we have to find standard deviation. Since standard deviation is there, if mean becomes fraction, calculations become complex. So we will directly go for shortcut method. So di is equal to xi minus, assume mean, क्या लेंगे हम? 12 लेंगे, 12. We generally take xi with the highest frequency. 12 ले लेते, 17 भी ले सकते, but I will take 12. Okay, so 12 upon class length 5. Right over here, A is equal to 12 and C is equal to 5. So 0, minus 1, 1, 2 and 3. Then Fi di and then Fi di square. We first find out mean. X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi di upon N into C. Therefore, X bar is equal to, assume mean 12 plus sigma Fi di 8 upon 18. Class length is 12 plus 2.22. 14.22 is the mean. Now we have to find mode. So first we have to find the modal class is equal to class with highest frequency. कौन सा class है highest frequency? 10 to 12. So this one is Fn, frequency of modal class. F1 and F2. ऐसा लिख ही देने का pencil से, so that you don't make a mistake in exam. Now modal class is 10 to 14. What type of class? Inclusive. Is it okay? No, we have to convert inclusive into exclusive. So 9.5 to 14.5 exclusive. Therefore, mode is equal to L plus Fm minus F1 upon 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into C is equal to 9.5 plus 8 minus 3 upon 16 minus 3 minus 4 into 5. (25 by 9), which is equal to 9.5 plus 2.78, which is equal to 13.28. Now what we have to find? We have to find standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to sigma fi di square upon n minus sigma fi di upon n, the whole square, the whole under root into c, which is equal to 24 by 18 minus 8 by 18, the whole square, the whole under root into c. (1.33) minus 8 divided by 18 is equal to 0.4444 into is equal to 0.1975, 1.1325. So 5.33. We found out mean, mode and standard deviation applied in the formula, which is equal to 14.22 minus 12.28 upon standard deviation 5.33, 0.36. It is a positive skewness. It is a positive skewness. Page number 196, question number 5. Page number 196, question number 5. Mark it very important for your exam. ये आने के बहुत chances है. The following frequency distribution gives the amount of annual depreciation in lakh rupees of 38 companies. Using this information, find skewness and its coefficient by Karl Pearson's method. State the type of skewness. Now, the data given is 7, 9, 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 24. So it's partial, discrete and partial continuous. So mode is ill-defined. Okay? So we have to go for the median. Write the question. Question 5. Very important for exam. Page 196. Amount of depreciation lakh rupees. 7, 9, 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 24, 25 to 36. Number of companies. Now we have to find the mean. So next is xi. 7 as it is, 9 as it is, 10. 11 to 20, so 31, so 15.5. 21 to 24, so 45, so 22.5. And 25 to 36, 61, so 30.5. Frequency, number of companies. Fi 2, 3, 4, 7, 12 and 10. N is equal to 38. Mode is ill-defined. Therefore, coefficient of skewness J is equal to 3x bar minus M upon S. Shortcut use करते, that will be better. Okay, because If you go for direct method, the problem is फ्रैक्शन में आया ना तो फिर वो फ्रैक्शन का भी तुम्हें स्क्वायर करना पड़ता है, समझ में आया? तो बेटर वी गो फॉर शॉर्टकट मेथड. वी टेक di is equal to xi minus, assuming we take as 10, a is equal to 10. You may find 10 comfortable to subtract. That's all. ठीक है? Now 0 minus 1 minus 3, 15.5 minus, so 10, 5.5, 12.5, 20.5. Okay, fi di and fi di square. We also need a column of cumulative frequency because we have to find the median. Let's find out the mean. A plus sigma fi di upon n into c नहीं आएगा because यहाँ पे we have not taken c, so here also we will not take, which is equal to 10 plus 384.5 upon 38, 10.118, so 10.12. 20.12 mean. Median class. Now your 90 is कहाँ है? So median class will come. Class of n by 2th observation, which is equal to class containing 19th observation. 19th observation कहाँ आ रहा है? 21 से 24. Is it inclusive or exclusive? Inclusive. So we have to convert it into exclusive. Please don't forget this step. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into C. Lower limit 20.5. Plus n by 2 is 19 minus Cf. ध्यान दो जिनको देखा था, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. इसका cumulative frequency that is 16 upon f, frequency of median class. ये हमारा median class है, इसका frequency f. Class length क्या है? 4. कैसे 5 होगा? 21 से 24, so 21, 22, 23 and 24. बराबर है? Now यहाँ पे भी you can do. We have made it exclusive 20.5 to 24.5, so it is 4, which is equal to 20.5 plus 3 by 3. 20.5 plus 1. 21.5 median. Let's find the standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to sigma fi di square upon n minus sigma fi di upon n, the whole square, the whole under root 6310.25 upon 38 minus 384.5 upon 38, the whole square, the whole under root, which is equal to under root 166.059 minus 384.5 divided by 38 into is equal to memory minus 102.382 is equal to 7.98 of coefficient of skewness J is equal to 3. Mean is 20.12 minus 21.5 median. Standard deviation is 7.98, which is equal to 3 into minus 1.38 upon 7.98 is equal to. Therefore, skewness is negative.